Hi, if you got problem that some status icon cannot appear while using Magic Capsule on your Honor Magic 7 Lite, then as a first step, this is how it will look in your case, so the system will hide status or notifications icons automatically when using Magic Capsule. This prevents them from overlapping with Magic Capsule and enhance your experience. And now what you can do to check your status icons is if you can see this display, you need to just swipe down from the upper right corner and now you can see everything. Or another thing which you can do is you can simply tap this cross and close your running app in this magic capsule. And that's basically it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.